Mabel, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, check out what we received today in a box. So meron tayong prime cut meat and deli. So we're gonna open this and share to you kung ano yung mga pinadala nila dito. Let's go! Okay, so this is the Saikoro steak Wagyu cubes. You have some sausages. So these are the Nippon Arabiki sausage. What else? Ooh, Australian rib eye. It's a 3/4 inch thick. So this one is a 200 grams. What else do we have here? We have a Brazilian rib eye. It's a 3/4 inch thick na steak, and this is how it looks like. Ooh. Next is a premium pork samgyeopsal. So last package, premium deli chori patties. There you have it, guys. After we have unpacked everything, let's talk about some information about them. They have more than 25 items to choose from. You can customize your package based on your budget and of course your preference kung ano yung gusto ninyo. And then you can get a discount for bulk orders. All meat that are available po sa kanilang store are coming all over the world. Cash on delivery orders are available every day in Pampanga area, and orders are also available via Eats Papa, Mangan.ph, local plate. For some pickup, here are the places that are available. Those of you who are interested to be a reseller, you can contact Prime Meat and Deli Pampanga sa Facebook fan page po nila. They are also available in Instagram. For more information about their products, here are some photos available for us to view. If you like the food you saw in this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video because I'm gonna be there. Until then, please stay safe, stay at home, and thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Peace!